Tout matin romance. Wet you are marié or in à long terme relationship, keeping it romance fresh en alive camp a challenging task. We te demanding work schedule, romance often suffer, which can have catastrophic consequences for your relationship. Maintaining the romance in your relationship will support your long-term mental and physical health, increase the connection between you and your partner, and possibly lead to a more fulfilling life. Sustaining your physical romance. Start your day with a physical display of love. As soon as you wake up, kiss your partner on the cheek to give them a reminder of your love. Study show that starting your day off by warmly greeting and physically touching your partner lead to a better outlook on the rest of the day. Physical contact in the morning will set a positive tone for your day. 1. Wake up just a few minutes before your partner, turn off the alarm clock, and gently kiss her cheek to wake them. If you are apart for some reason and cannot offer physical love, please sending a loving text message for your partner to wake up to. Tease your partner. Valk around to in just a toeler stroke ser back a you valk bitem. Do small act to tease and tantalize your partner. Build their anticipation and desire for your touch. Full body massage are great way to build tension and feel intimate and connected. Show affection in public. Touch it primary language of compassion, and it convey trust and safety. When you touch your partner in public, you both receive the benefit, plus added benefit of knowing that other know about your love. Showing your love in public, convey that you are no ashamed of your partner, and you want the whole world to know you are together. 2. Hold door for your partner, en a cheval gby, place your hand on the small of her back. When you are waiting in line at the bank, face au thé en embrassing a hug. Do not be inappropriate in public, it can be legal when taken to offer. Purchase the Kama Sutra. Sexy a critically important aspect of a happy and long-lasting relationship. 3. Fin way to have romantic and meaningful sexual encounter. Purchase book like the Kama Sutra to learn new way to pleasure your partner. Talk to about your like and dislike in bed. Learn your partner turn on, and do your best to make them happy. Create a fantasy jar. Write down a love erotic fantasy you would like to engage in with your partner, including role play or public affection. Sharing fantasy with your partner reveal a deep and private side to you, which will enhance your connection and intimacy. 4. When your partner shares their fantasy, do not judge them, instead play along. You both have to be fully engaged and committed to a fantasy to increase the pleasure. 5. Improving your emotional connection. Communicate often and honestly. Open and honest communication is a cornerstone to a happy and romantic relationship. Telling your partner exactly how you feel, including your like and dislike, will increase clarity between you two, and help maintain overall happiness. Spend at least 5 minutes per day checking in with about the status of your relationship. Talk about certain situations made you feel or you would like to see something happen differently. When you communicate with your partner, try to frame things positively. For example, if you did not like that your partner said you would answer work even without asking, instead of saying don't make me decision form, say something like, I love to support you in your job, or I would really appreciate it if we could discuss going to social event before you respond s'il vous plaît. Leave love note around to the for your partner to fin. Create a small act of kindness to let your partner know you are thinking about them when you are apart. Your partner will appreciate the effort and will feel your love in your absence. The act of kindness could include sending a love text will have work, writing you are beautiful on the mirror, packing their lunch the night before, or cleaning the house. 6. Be appreciative of your partner. Appreciation add value to your partner and to your relationship. Express the physical, Personnel, en professionnel attribute you valuing your partner to make them feel loved and respected. Focus on the positive qualities, such as rare, humor, or selflessness. 7. Accept your partner for their mistake and flaw. Your partner is no perfect and you can't go into the relationship. Accept that they might no plus a dish, or that they run chronically late. Do not try to change your partner, instead, focus on promoting the good things about them such as their intelligence or ability to light up a room. 8. Become aware of your own flaw and recognize you are no perfect to help you accept your partner flaw. Be respectful of your partner and their flaw. If they are chronically late, respect it is their decision to be late, but allow yourself to bon time. Changing your routine. Plan a novel and exciting that night. Forge a pleasant evening at a fresh restaurant you have been to 15 times. Triguin on exciting and fresh date, such a paintball or whitewater rafting. Science Shota couple WHO engage in exciting date ever more satisfied tantos engaging in pleasant en routine date. 9. Go on date ta allow you to participate a couple such a dancing, kayaking, or building a fort. Pretend that you go on your first date. On a first date, you make a significant effort to impress. If you strive to look your best and be on your best behavior at time you go on a date with your partner, you will both feel happier and more satisfied. 10. Go away for an vacation. Leave your home for 2 days and visit a place you have never gone with your partner. You can plant je t'avais or make it spontaneous. Throw a dara map and go to a reveat land. If money or children make traveling difficult, try spending a time in a different part of your house you often neglect. Try to just change your setting as much as possible. Be with your partner in a different environment, you must them in a different light. Go on trip can also test your relationship by revealing your compatibility, showing you manage it when you are together 24/7. 11. Spend time apart. Taking a time for yourself in a relationship is healthiest because it promotes independence and administration to your life. If you love going to amuse maybe your partner de know, go on your own can encourage self-love, which will be carried into your relationship. 12. Have a girl or boy night out with your own group of friends. You can talk about things you wouldn't necessarily discuss with your partner, and you will be reminded of yourself as an individual, instead of yourself in a partnership. Give your partner a gift just because you love them. Everybody love to get gift. It doesn't have to be birthday or Christmas to press your partner with a gift. If you are at a store and submitting a remark of your partner, purchase it, write up, and give it to them the evening at dinner. Your partner will be surprised between for us in gift and appreciate your kindness and generosity. 13. Give gift in moderation. Do not buy every item that reminds you of your partner. Purchase gift that are fiscally responsible. Buying your partner a red Mercedes no practical and could get you into financial trouble. Tip. Relationship that allow of work. You can no expect that it will get better on their own. Work a making it special and romantic. Te voir pleasant and you do a world of good in making a person feel appreciated. Warning. If your relationship continue to lack romance and you felt you and your partner are in trouble, considering going to therapy and seeking professional help to work through your